Imagine this. You're staring at the ceiling in the middle of the night, worrying about your financial future. You're living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like a hamster on a wheel, always running but never getting ahead. Retirement seems like an elusive dream, and the weight of debt feels like a constant burden. You're not alone. This is a struggle faced by countless individuals. Wouldn't it be amazing if your money could work for you, even while you're asleep? This is not a fantasy, it's the reality of passive income through dividend investing. Imagine this, you're earning money while you sleep, while you travel, even while you're binge-watching your favorite show. That's the power of passive income. And one of the best ways to achieve it? Dividend investing. It's a method where you invest in companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to shareholders. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive deeper. Dividend investing is like a sleeping giant just waiting to be awakened. Picture this, you're putting your hard-earned money to work, not in a laborious 9-to-5 grind, but in an investment that pays you back time and time again. That's the power of dividend investing. It's a tried and tested strategy, a secret weapon of some of the most successful investors in history. Take Warren Buffett, for instance, a master of the game, whose company, Berkshire Hathaway, raked in a whopping $2 billion in dividends in just 1 year. Or John D. Rockefeller, who once said, "Do you know the only thing that gives me pleasure? It's to see my dividends coming in." But it's not just for the Rockefellers and Buffetts of the world. Everyday investors like you and me can tap into this potential, turning our investments into consistent income generators. Dividends are the gift that keeps on giving, a steady stream of income that can amplify your wealth exponentially over time. Ready to wake your financial giant? Here's how. The key to unlocking this passive income is understanding the principles of dividend investing. And it's simpler than you might think. Start by selecting companies that consistently pay dividends. Look for established businesses, those with a track record of steady income and a history of sharing that income with investors. Once you've found these companies, it's time to buy. But timing matters. Buy when the price is low and the yield is high. That's how you maximize your returns. Remember, the goal here is passive income, so ideally you want to hold on to these stocks for the long term. But life is unpredictable and sometimes you'll need to sell. If the dividend yield drops significantly, or if the company's financial health is in jeopardy, it might be time to let go. And that's all right. Investing is a journey, not a destination. Now that you have the key, it's time to unlock your financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. Building a sustainable passive income stream through dividends is a process, not an overnight event. It starts with reinvesting dividends. Each time a dividend is paid, you reinvest it into buying more shares, thus increasing the amount of dividends you receive in the future. It's a powerful cycle of growth. Next, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different sectors, different companies, and even different countries. This reduces risk and helps create a more stable income stream. Finally, regularly review your investments. The market changes, companies evolve, and so should your portfolio. Regular reviews ensure that your investments are still in line with your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Patience, consistency, and smart decisions will lead you to your destination. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. Embark on the rewarding journey of dividend investing. Utilize the wealth of resources available, from enlightening online courses to informative books or even a trusted financial advisor. These tools will guide you, providing you with the confidence to make informed decisions. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't just dream about financial freedom, make it a reality. Start your journey in dividend investing today